So as you can see, we're in a 57 plate RAV4. We've taken ignition on, we've got the warning up, well it's a reminder, oil maintenance required now. So what you must do is set the trip to trip A by pressing this button here. So it's already on trip A. So we turn off the ignition. And then, I don't know how I'm going to hold this. Set it somehow. So press the button, turn back on the ignition. And there we go, it's reset. It's done. Thanks for watching. Well, I hope that helps. As I say, either you've had it at garage and they've changed oil and they've not reset it, or you've changed oil yourself and you want to reset it yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.